Welcome to Vision IGCSE. Today, let's talk about something you love, music and maths. Yes, you read that right. Maths isn't just about equations, it's everywhere, even in your Spotify playlists. Ever wondered how Spotify creates such awesome mixes? It's all about ratios and proportions. Imagine you're making a playlist. You wouldn't want all slow songs or all fast ones, right? That's where ratios and proportions come in. They help us create playlists that are balanced and fun. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Let's break it down together. Get ready to see your playlists in a whole new mathematical light. Let's start with ratios. A ratio is just a way of comparing two or more things. In music, we can use ratios to compare different aspects of our playlists. For example, we can compare the number of pop songs to rock songs. Let's say you have 10 pop songs and 5 rock songs in your playlist. The ratio of pop to rock would be 10 to 5. This means for every 10 pop songs, you have 5 rock songs. Pretty simple, right? We can use ratios to compare other things too, like song durations. Maybe you want a good mix of short songs and long songs. Ratios can help you find that perfect balance. Now, let's talk about proportions. A proportion is just an equation that tells us two ratios are equal. Think of it like this. If you have a ratio of 2 to 1, the proportion would be 2 over 1 equals 2 over 1. So how does this apply to our playlist? Let's say you want to keep the 10 to 5 ratio of pop songs to rock songs in your playlist. If you add 5 more pop songs, you would need to add 2.5 more rock songs to keep the proportion the same. Of course, you can't have half a song. But this shows how proportions help us maintain balance. They ensure that no single genre or song duration overpowers the rest. So, there you have it. Ratios and proportions aren't just abstract mathematical concepts. They're tools that help us understand and enjoy music even more. And it's not just about music. We use ratios and proportions every day, whether we're cooking, shopping, or even just trying to figure out how much coffee to make in the morning. So the next time you're jamming out to your favorite playlist, take a moment to appreciate the maths that made it possible. It's proof that even in the world of music, numbers can be beautiful.